we're on our way downtown. It's foggy as heck today. So we'll see what we'll be able to see today. We'll see. I don't know. You can't even see downtown. Usually on a clear day, you'd be able to see right downtown. But you can't see at all. Check out my other video if you want to see downtown. Yeah, that was about 2 weeks ago. Wow, look at downtown. You can't even see it. You see how foggy it is? Yeah, that's how LA is in the morning. It's just super foggy. By noon, by 12 o'clock, all this is gonna be gone. I really don't know why we have foggy mornings. I think it's because we're so close to the beach. So the fog just comes off the beach all the way into the city. That has to be a good explanation. We're taking the 110 to Pasadena. I thought it was telling me to take the 10 to the 5. This is considered the loop. This might be the only loop that we have in the city where you can just go around. But it connects to like 3 different freeways. Each way is a different freeway. East, west, north, and south. There's so many freaking Teslas out here in California. Like, I just passed like 3 Teslas. This where traffic usually just goes crazy. This is the 3, it's like 3 exits for downtown. And it's just ridiculous. What they honking at? Let me the fuck over. Excuse me my language. Excuse my language. Thank you, let me over. Excuse me. Let's say 7 minutes to where we going. You got to take it real slow right here because it's break, stop, break, go, break, go, break, go, break, go. Like, it's ridiculous. And it's only these 3 exits. After these 3 exits, it's like no problem. But these 3 exits can be, sometimes it can take 20 minutes to get through. You hear this traffic? I try to keep a good distance, but it's hard. It's really hard to keep a distance when everybody is stopping and going, stopping and going. supposed to rain this weekend, but this is just early morning fog. I don't know why I'm in this lane right now. I really don't. This the slow lane. This the real slow lane too. I'm trying to put my charger in my phone. I think it's that we're going to Epstein Park. It's like right up there by Dodger Stadium. It's supposed to be. I don't know. I never been there before. It's like 3 freeway entrances right here. We taking the 110 or. They got the freeway cut off. That's why it's so much traffic. I was wondering what was going on. Because on my GPS, it's saying that it's red. And I'm like, why is it red at this time? Pay attention. They got the entrance blocked. They've been doing a lot of construction since coronavirus. Wow, they take it from all these lanes to one lane. And watch, it's gonna open up. It always do that. I'm about to roll my window up, don't trip. Dodger Stadium. This is the freeway that always scares me because it's so many freaking little turns and stuff. I'd be like, oh no, I can't do this. I get off at the next exit. So we're gonna get over. Camaro over there pushing. Good luck. And this is when the freeway, like, people get on and they be going fast. Like, you gotta watch them. Because they don't care. This is LA. People drive the way they want to drive it. I need to get in front of this car, but this car is not letting me. Thank you. This is gonna be a quick off-ramp. Oh, I hate this stuff. Oh, this shit will kill you. Oh. Oh my God, excuse my language, that was scary. Let's roll down this window and see what's going on. I'm from the city. I don't like all these turns and stuff. This stuff be scaring me. I have never been over here before in my life. I don't even know where we at. Like, I know we're by the Dodger Stadium, but this little area I've never been in. It says it's like right up this street, but I don't know how to tell. Oh, see, they getting ready for the Dodger Stadium for the they're getting ready. They getting ready for the Dodgers game. You see that? It's the Dodgers game. We made it to the Dodgers Stadium. We can't get up there right now because everybody's coming to get ready for the game. You see all these cars, they're all going to Dodger Stadium. Ain't that crazy? All that, they all in one lane, turning right. I wonder if these are employees. Let me look up it. I'm about to see if the Dodgers game is today. Yep, start at 5. Yep. The police is everywhere. Right now, we at the entrance to the Dodger Stadium. We cannot get up there. I didn't know the World Series was today. They're not gonna let nobody and their mama up there. You see all these police? Wow. It's going to be a high police presence over here at Dodger Stadium today. Wow. see where it says Dodger? Everybody is right there. They over there.